Happy good morning.
Good morning.
Hey Sunny, today I'm going to show you 3 different ways to quickly and easily cut out shamrocks and 4-leaf clovers.
Yay, let's get started.
To begin, you'll need some green paper, scissors, and a pencil. You'll need a small square piece of paper. I'm using a 4" by 4" piece. Fold the bottom left-hand corner up to the top right-hand corner. Make a sharp crease down the long edge of the paper. Now fold the bottom right corner up to the top left-hand corner. Again, be sure to crease your paper. Fold the right-hand corner to meet with the left-hand corner. Be sure to press down firmly to crease. Let's take a look at the folds. You'll notice the left-hand side has all the open flaps and the right-hand side has the closed fold. With a pencil, we're going to draw a rainbow shape about 1 inch up from the bottom point. Now let's cut out the shamrock. Be careful not to cut too deeply into the fold on the right-hand side.
It looks like an ice cream cone.
Yeah, it does. What flavor do you think it is?
Maybe mint or pistachio.
Ooh, both are such good flavors. Let's unfold our clover and take a look at how it turned out. We can also unfold the outside part we cut off. Let's see how that turned out.
They need some stems.
You're right, Sunny. To cut out a stem, fold your paper back in half. Use your scissors to cut out a stem along the fold. To add a stem to our cutout, we'll use some more green paper. Cut out a curved piece. Mine is about 1 inch long. Taper glue your stem to the clover. For clover number 2, fold the bottom left-hand corner up to the top right-hand corner. Crease along the edge. Fold the bottom right-hand corner to the top left-hand corner. Again, crease on the edge. No more folding here. This is what your folded paper should look like. One side open and one side closed. With a scratch piece of paper, cut out a heart shape. We'll line our heart's point up with the bottom point of our folded paper. Only trace around the top part of the heart. Let's unfold it and see how it turned out. We'll add a stem just like we did in our first clover. Now let's take a look at our cutout piece. Carefully unfold it to reveal the inside. To add a stem, we'll fold it back in half again to make our cut. Shamrock number 3 will have 3 leaves instead of 4. To make this cut, we'll fold the bottom left-hand corner to the top right-hand corner. Turn your triangle so the point is up and the fold is towards you. Fold the right-hand corner 1/3 of the way across the triangle going in a diagonal direction. Repeat the same step on the left-hand side. Remember to press your creases down firmly. Here's what the fold should look like. The right side will have an open edge and the left side edge will be closed. We'll draw another rainbow just like we did in our first example.
So it will look like an ice cream cone again.
Exactly, Sunny. Let's cut out the ice cream cone. Unfold the cut to reveal your shamrock.
And add a stem.
Here's what the outside part looks like after you cut out the stem. Now that we know how to cut out our shamrocks and clovers, I think we're ready for St. Paddy's Day. What do you think, Sunny?
Yep, I'm so excited. Aaron, go brah.
Thank you so much for watching. We hope you have a lucky St. Patrick's Day, and we'll see you again next time for more amazing craft ideas.
Happy crafting!